Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Mijn naam is Viggy en ik maak live videos, mostly of Yiddish. Kwam van toen aan die video, please consider giving my like, share and subscribe. En wat je wilt, laat yourself on the channel, ben een member, by hitting the join button. Ze gaat al lang de riesige weg. Ook het van me gaat anyway, dat zoeken is absolutely positively, 100%ly, not financial advice. So please be very careful. De market is weg, man. Alles wat die haast. Absoluut niet. Ik krijg niet wie die haast. So. Please be careful. Oh, dat is dat schicken voor de unboxing. Aber ik pin de address. Ze geschehen Montag. Zijn als eigen in de free. Let's go. Bitcoin, 92,000. Slowly creept that out. The Dow Jones nog eens gehit 50,000. What's the all-time high? Silver, $88. Talk about missing the train here. Gold, $4,626. All right, I'm not sitting in though. This is Judas mix. China mix. I'll be back in a minute. All right. Music Manic. Hello and welcome. Guten Sie Morgen, how you doing? Du spielst de hand in de free. Dat is echt. Digitaal dit is dan. Zeg maar als de Judah. De Judah's mix. DJ Judah, which is I get. We literally 2 minuten weg. Vind de market even. Good mother flip morning. For you as well, sir. For you as well. Sam je zoekt de rimnetzer do. Dat denk ik. JD LMI. Good morning, good morning. Bought a long call. Nothing like starting off with Viggy and Judah and the market. I agree. Market is offen. Nog niet, 1 minuut. They Judah. This is also his own style. Their music. Ba-da-ba-dow. $9.29. We are 1 minute away. Dus de tieren even zo gauw. Dus all hell breaks loose. I'm a sorry. Ba-da-da. Tesla for it, 448, 450. $25888. Market is offen. Dat tut sich. Oil of Anku Shirayan. 878. Alright, darf just do a bisschen focussen. Darf just do focussen. Man darf das auch mal rauszoomen, warum nicht? Meint man, dass certain Sachen sind bei certain Plätzen, like D-Wop and stuff like that. So just to machen sicher. Alright. As I seem spaced out, this is because I gotta focus. I gotta do the focus. Sag mal, schwer zu warten. In chewing gum at the same time. You know what I mean? So. Ich glaube, da haben wir so gehit. Der Like-Button. Ja, hat lang riesige Weg. Der Algorithm sucht, dass ich habe einen Sleep. So. Amit Besimcha. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Good morning. Okay. Na, aber ja, lass mal sagen, was das jetzt gehen, mit Sommer das jetzt gehen. Yeah. Alright, that's good, cool. How you doing mit Besimcha? How's it going? Wieso ist dann so free? Like I said, ich seem a bit off. Zu wissen, dass ich bin off. Because sag man nimmt das Focus und kann ich reden in nicht unfocused. Ja, 98 nicht. Das hat Resistance. Exactly. So hat man gewähnt hat ausgestappt, anyways, jetzt. Okay. That's a nasty candle, yeah. Deze gewähnt der Debate. Deze gewähnt der Debate auf dem 937 candle. Sich nicht viel lassen davon. Ich bin almost gewähnt in der Trade. Und ja, jetzt jede Trade count. Jetzt nehmen wir das nicht do lightly, you know? So, bis jetzt bin ich gewähnt in, lassen wir das riefen, in Kindergarten. Nein, in school. Und jetzt bin ich bei meinem ersten Intern. So, I really have to focus. So, here we are. Du Semmerins. There's some self-guidance. Some self-guidance. Moishi 299. Good morning. Excuse me. Can't win them all. En doe Futter. Zest? Doe Futter erop. So hat man gewähnt, ich will gewähnt auf A, L. Ich noch wollte gevoerd mit der B-Trainer auf. Ich will jetzt mal der L-Station. So, das ist nicht so eine easy Sache, you know. So. Es kommt daran a Trade, was sie kijkt aus sich reinnehmen, I'm zoning out a little. Because I need to focus. Moish, 299. How's it going? Okay, deep breath and we'll move forward. Deep breaths and we'll move forward. En usually gaat het met mind, ze gaat het wees, maar je gaat dat klik nog eenmaal bekauft en dan toch nog eenmaal dat. Toen is je aanjumpen, dat is de gaan open. We zijn voor de rest van de market ook gezien. When do of the day. Ik weet niet meer dat zij gewoon is. In the game wird man frustrated, gefährlich, you know. Zu sich geschlossen in dem Game. Ich habe gesehen Videos, keiner der jetzt hier Iran, aber gesehen Videos wie sie du bei der 5, sie sagen etwas 5.000 Menschen sind gestorben von den Clashes, von der Government in der Menschen. Kijk ons supposedly deze in Iran. All eyes on Iran. Don't know if it's true, but kijk on the mass amount of mentions. Kijk on this. It's sad. In Iran, fliegt Muzan one of the greatest nations, meaning for freedom and in Sachako was willen ze zei freedom. I mean, free for sei meint es nicht free for the regime, you know, for the people in charge. The people who sind jetzt in charge willen bleiben in charge. Keiner will nicht aufgeben. Keiner will nicht aufgeben chargeness, if you know what I'm saying. Everybody's like, you know, let me be in charge. Let me be in charge. Und die Oilem sagt nein. Question ist, sie geht überspielen. Was geht dort geschehen? I mean, let's hope as nur gets geschehen. You know what I mean? Because when solche Sachen kennen werden dort solche factions and solche kleine militia groups. In der Sache darf man kein protesten. Sie machen change. I feel du bei uns local. Peaceful, of course. Peaceful, of course. Always peaceful. Brooklyn. Good morning, Brooklyn. How you doing? How you feeling? How you be this morning? Go van around checken. I appreciate you being there. I mean, I appreciate everybody being there. Nice, Brooklyn. Brooklyn sucht is great. Zum Beispiel nur zu hören wegen great. Great is good. Great is good. Verliss in die Schemes. Such noch alles great, ja? Und die Sache mit Iran ist, dass sehr viele Menschen gedenken, wie sie gewähnt fahr de Cholateni Malameni dort not übergenommen. So. Let's hope the Hebrews are free mit machen gitte trade deals mit Israel. And you know, the Abraham Accords mit überdrehen dort in the ganze Middle East. Peace in the Middle East is this, eh? No, man nur darf ein Deal mit der Zionen. Die Zionen sind auch das 8. Deal mit. Ja, kijk nog even in het tijd aan. Weißt du, sie ist immer finished. But the problem is, as hopefully als ze nicht swingen, the pendulum zieh auf der andere Seite. In werden zieh Koko, you know? Wat de ingegebren willen zijn free. Keiner wil niet zijn under control. The Jewish community in Iran. Gotcha, yeah. Hopefully het gewoon is geschehen. De Iranian is gewoon niet wert. Hab es gesehen, aber fertig Twitter. Maar de oilen me dort niet. De oilen me niet. Zij willen change. De zaak is not eer is de no? Ik ken niet zijn nummer. Let's see if he gets back in power. This dude. Sadly. Good morning. Kijk gewoon naar zijn picture. Jetzt hat man gut nicht von der Greta Thunbergs, von der Welt. The Menschen von Iran, the people, nicht the government oder the... haben lieber Israel by the end of the game. Also ich gewinne Iran für the Islamic Revolution in 1979. Yes? I'm not afraid. I've been dead for 47 years, Shiraitzi. Wow. Die lebst nicht frei bis der Tag tot. He lives in Washington, D.C. First he lived in... He was Connecticut after... Outstanding. Okay. But he's slowly making his rounds. Zurückzukommen in power. The Iran currency went to a 0. Das hilft nicht. Das hilft keinem nicht. Oh man. Shoot zurück. Don't let their death be in vain. Keep fighting, Iran. Yes, exactly. People want freedom. If people want freedom, they should get freedom. He's not any better. Okay. The Sache ist, how do you transition people out, wenn wer sie sind? You know, they kommen von einer certain Weg von Trachten, aber davon mal so slow glitcher, das ist sehr gut. I agree, the regime needs to go, but there is plans who takes over. We need to learn from Iraq what chaos after Saddam. It's a difference when a zweite country kommt daran in 3 Tibber versus the people in the country. I mean, plus mit Mossad help and CIA, I'm sure. The left misst am haben es nicht lieb, als die Iranians sind busy mit Trump. People wir sind auf zu, das weißen, wo es Trump tut. Und ich könnte noch, siehst du, ist Starlink in der Picture? Picture von der neue oder der alte Iranian Flag mit der Leib. Picture von President Trump und Musk. Man macht schon gerade mit den Starlinks dort. Let's go! Before he was overthrown, he made the most expensive wedding on taxpayer dime. Is es gegen sein Tata oder er? Stammt zu nehmen de andere Seite, Brooklyn, the devil's advocate. Is a Sachmul darf a country, der Leader von a country, machen etwas groß und prideful. Man soll wissen, du bist Iranian, bist von jener country. I'm not saying that's the case, I'm just saying. You know, kein Leader geht nicht an Git, if you know what I'm saying. Wie lange AI geht nicht an the mediator? Hopefully, wenn AI herankommen, die AI können just suchen die Emmes, nicht machen Law oder suchen, was man sollte hin. Just wasen die Emmes. Durchleinen Bills. Können rauskommen Weil AI schläft nicht. Iran military monitor. Frequent visitors to Epstein's Island. Lindsey Graham and Senator John Cornyn. Hit Iran now. Hit them hard. Target Iran. Oy vey. Sag mal, hat man nicht, wie das gekickt aus. It was out of control. Every king and head of state was there. Well. Ich nehme mich schon für him, but I'm just saying. Oh, John Hinkle schreibt, we stand with Iran. John Hinkle nimmt hij kunde. Sinds other is a CIA employed bazai, other is John Hinkle stam agitator of the andere zat. Wo die neemt, zet nemmen verkeerd. The question should be where are the left of the Iran situation? Since you can left. In the name of God, the campus say, the merciful, the great Iranian nation, today is the campus, the great deed, and made a historic day. Weer tweet voor hem, bedankt in de game. Sent you a funny clip watching on your cell. Nog gewoon is back in mijn Brooklyn. So stupid. But so funny, yeah. Ja. Zusammengesteld ein Real Clip mit der Fake Clip. That's why I pay for internet, they say. Funny. Trading me. Wat de gelijk? Oh, the mensen in de baan. Oké. Gabbes. Oh, wat is Brooklyn, we nemen ook lief de internet. Undefeated de internet.
Is all a mystery.
We zijn zich maar naar aangelaten.
This is it. This is it.
Ja, maar naar aangelaten.
Yes, I think I like it. Yes, I think I like it.
Brooklyn, nein, ich habe es nicht ausgehört mit Sound. Ich will es aussehen jetzt mit Sound, Brooklyn.
It's all a mystery. This is it. This is it. Yes, I think I like it.
Was meinst du, ist es gewesen, Brooklyn? The original. Obviously, they sind nicht gewesen,
Yes, I think I like it. Yes, I think I like it.
Just geworden busy. Brooklyn has gewatcht der Original, aber es hat sich aufgestellt. In der Gang kicken. Oder is er am Schick in a Troll, in a Troll Dafka? Darf man watchen der Original? Ninety-two. This is original. Nein, okay. My bias box is by 87, so zoom wir, wenn die klickst. Geworden, du bist mit der Stickel Trade, so. YG. Morning, YG. How you doing? How you feeling? Welcome, welcome. Brooklyn, wenn ich will sehen, eine Sache, was es nicht, kick ich, wo der Left sagt. What's up with should we prepare the popcorn? Oh, YG. While the ass popcorn sind 4.000 Menschen gestorben. Kann ich auch so, it looks like that they're having the people of Iran look like they're having a comeback. Ze willen niet aan entertainen. En jetzt sehen sie, als Trump is leader. Trump is meer als a freedom fighter. So I guess this is the backbone. Supposedly the currency getrasket to zero. Trump says he's on it. That's good. Therefore, maximum freedom. Maximum freedom. This is what ich advocate for. People should be free. People should be free. People should not be held hostage, you know? In Iran, people were held hostage. Wel, wenn nicht, wollte nicht gewinnen kann Million Man March. The second war waged by the United States and Israel against Iran in recent months has also ended in a crushing defeat of them. What? Mastermind. You're such a masterminder. En bist pro. US state, US citizens to leave Iran now. Yeah. Makes sense. Sam Bam Wham. Viggy should be financially free. Yes. Yes. En dan ooit. See whoever will aanleggen geld in mijn bank account. You know what I mean? Vind aan Mo. See. Penny G. Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? How you feeling? Wieso je dan so free? Trump just posted a tweet. Help is on the way. Nice. Wieso je... Het gelijk me staan in Truth Social. En die nu zijn er aan. Free Viggy. Free Viggy van de shackles van financial, hè? Yankee T. G. Morning. So far, Penny kicked us out the protesters are gaining momentum. That's what it seems like. Again, mechanisch wissen wegen online. So we'll see what the people want. The regime had supposedly had to get like 4,000 mensen. And that usually never works out. You know. To the good side. Change my mood. My pleasure. You like switching to male? There you go, YG. That will be $25. $25. $25 to change the music. I already did it, so you owe me. Mastermind, das gechanged my mood as well. Just to wissen. AI doesn't have gender. This is fluid. Yankee team. This is ViggyVibes@gmail. Whenever die will schicken a Superchat. Oder die wissen, ich geben durch Google, durch YouTube. Kann man schicken sie ViggyVibes@gmail.com. That is the quick pay address. YG. Thank you so much. That's what I'm talking about. This is what keeps the channel rolling. They say the grease to the machine. Pitney Breslov macht das daran in jeder Crack. You know, wenn du hast riesige Tiles. Und du willst das, gießt aus, the tiles represent a Chassidus. Gießt aus ein bisschen Breslov, Wasser. Geht es daran in alle Cracks. In oi Cracks, du. So we're on the right track here, people. We're on the right track. YG at 6'7", huh? 6'7". Amul fleek alle slangs at least haben a point. 6'7" much on the champion point. ירושלים לחיים, תרים הידיים. Zij doen op X, hebben we gevraagd de security guy van Iran wegen Trump. En hij doet, ja, Trump redt das auch. Nicht recht zu mir. Trump redt das auch. Ich vergessen Salameni mit Malameni. Und was mit jetzt geht ihm bei Maduro? You cuckoo? The yesterday live on Schmidicast was about pushing Bitcoin. Okay. Maybe I cannot discuss Bitcoin. We got it 70,000 yesterday. Didn't go run for a few weeks. I think I deserve one. Of course you do. Walking Isaiah get 7,200 steps. Congratulations, my man. Good for you. Good for your legs. Good for your heart. Good for your stomach, you know. A horn for YG. I don't know. I'm getting tired of Schmidicast. Listen, it's waves. It comes and goes, you know. Man hat's lieb, man hat's nicht lieb. Man kommt darauf, man kommt darauf. Und wusste ja, ich habe gesehen, dass er ihm gerickt. Ich habe gegeben einen kleinen Blick heran, aber gesehen, als Schmilli gewinnt zu der links, in der Host, der gewinnt in der Co-Host, der gewinnt in der Mitte. And I'm like, is that like a subliminal sign or something? Chaim, we definitely do hear you. Hello and welcome. Hast du gehört? Nein, was er getauscht. Okay, 17 seconds. Zoek me wenn die klickst. Okay. Wie like the Okay. We'll see what happens. Who was the guest? The guest guy, habe ich gesehen nur für ein bisschen Finn. Geht das auch live mit Shimmy Cohn, the voice teacher guy.
אחרי כמה שנים, מזוודה אחת, ודירת שני חדרים, ביפו על הגב, כתבתי לי שירים, לא היה לאן לברוח, רציתי רק לחזור ישר לבית משוגעים.
Brooklyn, no idea who he is. No idea. Flieg hem nur sehen, sag mal, was auf small snippets, videos, flieg ich hem sehen dort. So. Ist interessant, man hat nicht Details, der Geist sagt das. He was on... Ich meine, er hat Friends mit dem. Like... On Shmili, he is not so loud as in Shimmy Cohn. Shimmy Cohn's cousin. Oder het is nog moe getest, either or. I see what you're saying. So if I touch and say go. He wasn't really a guest. What do you mean he wasn't really a guest? But he was a guest. Yep. Rabbi Nachman Meuman, Oy Rabbeinu, Rabbi Nachman Meuman. Rabbi Nachman Meuman, Oy Rabbeinu, Rabbi Nachman Meuman. Laat maar zijn, doe. Koiden sagt man, du hast sich geshift position. Schmilli ist gegangen zu der linken Seite. Mein Schmilli himself. I wonder why. Mastermind, go get healthy. Ich glaube, ich do for a few minutes. I appreciate you. Am I getting a feeling als nimmt über? Möglich. Als Schmilli tun einem Film, wir wissen, als he's taken over. Du wird schmelzen, congrats. Congratulations, Schmulli, yes. Was ich will Jockey in is. We singen Doody Fader. Father passed away. Wer is Doody Fader? What am I missing? ואחד ארצים לך da 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 da. You reviewed them already? Review Asach mentioned, so I'm sad even. I think you needed no funds to. If it comes from two parties. כולנו משפחה ותדון בטירוף כי הגיע הזמן לעוף מעכשיו רק שמחה משקיעה והצליחה. So I shoot 31 minutes. Ik weet the episode. Da, da, da. Living L'chaim hat mit Rav Eli Sifensky. Ik wilde de video echt met me geschickt is. Maar niet geschickt, but I looked it up. Leaving Kirisha. Don't worry, next minute is back in the middle. Otherwise it becomes Nuchi's cast. But maybe Erbil, he wants to check out, you know? We don't know. Yeah. Ze do Ze do our channel Perry K Lost and Becoming 3 video's. Sie Kim vind je Israel. Om een refresh in de page. 3200 the eerste and 870 the next video. So funny, maar schrijft out they're leaving Kirisio, but yet they make videos about the place they're coming from. It's okay, iedereen er... Question is if alles reviewen. Yes. זה לחם. Because I guess I'll take my few minutes here. If she would really live in Montana, she would get no views. Marketing strategy. Yeah. In hoffe, die Hebrer weiß, dass geht an mehr und mehr. You know what I'm saying? So wie Iran, like it's gonna boil over at some point. If you're not gonna take care of people, the disenfranchised people are gonna become more and more and more, and everything is gonna come out. Maybe he rubs me the wrong way. Don't know him personally. Binny, me darf ich keine einem personally, as he's rubbing you the wrong way. It's normal. Nicht gemacht für jedem. Exactly. Then I like leaving my body. Yeah. Okay, Menschen haben serious pain. Menschen haben serious traumas. Menschen haben geworden gekrippelt. Die bist nicht geworden krippelt. Count your blessings, you know? No, yes, ja, da, koach, mea kolish koach, vitamin lish koach. Nicht jeder einer is fortunate, as am pain, nicht kann lingering pain. Es du alle Minas, du Menschen, was suffern gefährlich. Viggy, did you get to see Tzvi Blumenfeld? Not yet. He's on the list. He's on the list. I will review him tonight, most probably. Because I love music and is a musician, so. I'm not judging people for getting crippled and hurt, but man up, get help, and work on yourself. Don't spend the rest of your life bitching. Sie gering zu sagen, Music Manic. Sie gering zu sagen. Some people need to bitch for a couple of years. That's the part of their healing. That's the part of their healing. Sie gering zu sagen für der zweiten, wieso man soll healen. But sie soll auch wettkachen. Geht nicht so. Jeder hat seinen Weg von healen. Und ich weiß auch, ich bin gleich, was man getan zu jenem. Und auch nicht nur, die weiß nicht, wieso man hat getan zu jenem. Ich weiß auch nicht, wieso es hat jenem Effekte. So, sie gering zu sagen, let go, move on, get help. But that's a part of the help. So wie die Suche Penny, as the no, musst du gesagt du. Also, you can't choose welche Menschen die auslieben und welche nicht. Meaning, like, sometimes it happens, the same thing. Not all traumas are the same, and not all fixen is the same. You know? Eine kann man, geht zu der Doktor, eine kann man eine Pill, and the andere darf surgery. Everybody's got their own Weg. Married life is so good sometimes. Someone cares for me and I don't get to care. Nice, Yankee. That's nice. That should be the goal. That should be the goal. And I'm sure everybody was bitched and whined wants to get there. They just don't know how, or maybe they don't have the right help, or they feel misunderstood. Dus du was zijn weit ook, en ze gaan in zijn corner, and they move on, en nog de mensen was hebben revenge. You know, revenge is risky. Revenge is one of the strongest things, you know. You feel like your life is over, and now you're just having revenge on them. Wer bist du zu judgen, you know? Escher is jenems Leben Taka ugeharget. Music, man. Good one. Train yourself to say we. Een comedian Penny had gezocht als wenn man zoekt we are cutting the grass, meint es nur ich. There's no we in cutting grass. Die Sache mit Traden ist, man darf sitzen auf der Hand, das Sache. In dieser Apartment sitzen auf der Hand. Right now. What we're doing now. Vashamayim. Ba-da-ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba. Ik wil reviewen de... Laat me zeggen, de Living Kid Israel. I'm not Ellie Webber. I'm not Ellie Webber. What do I do now? Only married, Baruch Hashem. Listen, Pinius is geschlept bis hier. You got something? You got something? Hold on, was heet my gonish?
When I grew up in Curious Joel, when you're born into a place like Curious Joel,
the editing is good. I'll give her that.
You don't know it's insular. You don't know it's different. You don't know you're being controlled. You just think that this...
In zijn ogen zijn eigen ear experience. Which asach mensen can identify, but it's ear experience. We've all been hurt one way or another. Exactly, Sam. But jeder had zich zijn week van expressen. En bij deze Acres Road, 143 Acres Road, this is the Bridge House, vleek men eens rief.
Oh, this is the world.
Lost and becoming. The nose ring gives everything away.
Everything in my life just existed within this one system. Rules, family, friends, any relationships, education. I was taught that the outside world was dangerous, that there was us and there was them. and that we were the only ones living the right way and everyone else was wrong. We were taught that everyone was out to get us, everyone hated us, all these
What's her name? CG. Hello and welcome. Weiß ich, Perry K. rief sie sich.
things were instilled in us to make us fear the people outside. Doubt wasn't curiosity. It wasn't free thinking. It was a sin.
Brooke knows she's good.
And asking questions wasn't part of learning.
Sie sei gothic. Sie sei gothic. Sie ja, du hast ein Tattoo. Sei heavy metal.
It was crossing a line, especially as a woman. The rules weren't just about what you did. They were about...
But auch, wenn man hört das aus, darf man hören in between. Nicht alles ist wrong. Like, let's say the house is wrong. Nicht alles ist wrong. What is she saying through the lines? Was man darf ja changen? Was man can change?
Who you were allowed to be. They controlled women under the guise of modesty. By calling women driving immodest, they controlled where women could go. By forbidding girls from riding bikes, they controlled how...
Okay, Kinder zijn ook het geween bikes. Ob sie redt für na two-wheeler.
We moved through the world. By teaching women to step aside when a man wanted to pass, to give up your seat if a man wanted to sit. We were taught that we were less than. We were also taught that it was our responsibility to make sure a man doesn't desire us, that his thoughts depended on our clothing, the way we speak, our mannerisms, the way we walk.
Well, die guys gaan ongeveer een certain weg. Ik zoek niet zich nemmer geschoen van zij, but die guys gaan ongeveer een certain weg, en die guys zien certain zaken. Zien Tyson men is het apart van dier, yes.
Walk through the world. We were taught that our bodies were sinful, that the solution was to drown them in clothing. And so you learn how to take up less space, emotionally, mentally, physically, without anyone ever having to say the words shrink. I grew up feeling different. I was never content with a life built entirely out of rules and laws and that didn't allow for any questions. So I doubted. I questioned.
She's a doubter.
And because of that, I was labeled troubled.
That makes sense.
Most of the time I felt
Sadly.
stifled, like my life had already been planned out and outlined before me, and my job was just to color inside the lines. And for some reason, I wasn't made of the same cookie-cutter, good girl mold as everyone else. And for a long time, I hated myself for it. Now I understand something I couldn't then, that this discomfort, this curiosity was a sign of intelligence. It was a sign of wanting...
De rode hoer met de nose ring is like Dorten.
Something more for myself. Leaving wasn't a single moment. It was a messy process. It took multiple attempts, periods of distances, and then being pulled back in. Not because I wanted to return, but because the outside world isn't built for people like me.
Makes
people
sense.
Who
Dus
leave
hier gaat ze
without
naar.
resources. I didn't have a proper education. I didn't know how the outside world worked. Out here, you need a credit score, and to rent an apartment, you need proof of financial stability.
She's a chemist?
All those systems
On that board, she had the chemistry on that board, right?
were never taught existed. Growing up in Curious Joel shaped me in more ways than I can count. It prepared me for a life where my voice felt like a violation of faith. But leaving was the best thing I ever did. It showed me that I have the power to change the trajectory of my life, that I can build myself up from nothing, and that I don't have to ask for permission to live. It taught me to recognize my strengths, my resilience, to appreciate all those parts of myself that I was taught to suppress, the curiosity, the discomfort, the weirdness that refused to disappear. And those traits...
Oh, no way. Die was the finger. Loch. All credit. I'm just kidding. Kidding.
Didn't lead me astray. They led me here.
Ja, kon er
For
van
the
naar
first
building.
time, that feels enough.
Alright. So geben wir da kleine Introduction. Nicht schlecht. Dann wir gehen zu der nächsten Video. Kiddie shows, hold on. Schools and documentary.
To call the cops
A
now.
documentary.
But listen, it's reparations for all the years of emotional damage.
You take out a girl from Monroe, but you can't take out Monroe out of the girl. Listen, she's trying. She is trying, I say.
Hey guys.
But I zeg ja, wenn man geht da raus, is es a machigene lonely Welt out there, I must say.
Guys, welcome to Lost and Becoming. My name is Perry, and I have something really exciting for you today.
Okay.
That's my cat, one of them. I actually went to KJ, I went back there, and I'm going to give you guys a tour of my old school.
Welcome to Curious Joel, a small village in Monroe, New York, home to the Satmar Hasidic community. Founded in 1905 by Rabbi Joel Teitelbaum, the village was created as a secluded place for his followers who saw a life insulated from the secular world. Today, Curious Joel is densely populated, over 22,000 residents in just 22 square miles, and more than 80% of the population is under 18. Education in this community is largely shaped by religious tradition.
No way, she vaped.
System in the United States. The Curious Joel Village School District was created in the late 1970s to serve special needs children. In 1994, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that the district, as originally structured, violated the Establishment Clause of the Constitution. The case, Board of Education of Curious Joel versus Grumet, examined a New York law that created a public school district aligned with a single religious community. The court found that the government authority structured around religious identity.
This is okay. Music manic. A mistake is a mistake. Nicht dafke des gemeint. It's the broader picture.
Crossed the line separating church and state. The ruling didn't challenge the need for education itself, only the way public authority was granted based on religious boundaries. New York later passed revised legislation using neutral criteria to allow a new district, and the constitutional principle remains in effect. Today, Beis Rachel School serves over 4,400 students from pre-kindergarten through 12th grade with a student-to-teacher ratio of 23-1. The district has an endowment of $50 million, giving it significant financial resources. Federal and state funding plays a major role. Laws like equitable services require public districts to provide funding and services to low-income students in private schools. In Curious Joel, this means millions flow to religious schools such as UTA for remedial classes, special education, and other mandated programs. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the district...
Kick on that building was my bow do behind. Go back, kick do the building. Hold on.
Special education and other mandated...
Oh, man, my comment's blocked. Kick on that binion. All the way over. Phew. We both up in buildings. I tell you.
Programs. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the district received nearly $94 million in federal relief funds, over $95K per student.
That's why she's giving out these videos, depressed and wishing to go back and hate the place I'm not going. All right, yeah, okay.
Which was used for facility upgrades and services, though much of this money went to private religious schools. While Curious Joel schools are often described as prioritizing religious education, that description applies unevenly, particularly along gender lines. The girls are not permitted to study Torah in the same way.
Ich fühl, wenn sie geht, wenn ungetein Chassidisch, sag mir marest, wat man gekannt, sag mir in a documentary, auskicken also in Aranwaken is just...
Boys are. They do not study Talmud, engage in debate, or learn classical religious texts in their original language. Instead, girls' education is largely limited to translated materials that focus on religious law and behavioral instruction, including rules about kosher, observance, Shabbos, modesty, and relationships with men. This means that girls receive neither robust secular education nor advanced religious education. Their schooling emphasizes compliance, discipline, and preparation for traditional domestic roles rather than intellectual inquiry or academic development. New York state law still requires all non-public schools to provide instruction that is substantially equivalent to public education in subjects like English, math, science, and social studies. However,
Investigations and lawsuits, including those brought by advocacy groups such as Yafed, have raised concerns that many schools do not meet these standards, particularly for girls. The Felder Amendment created exemptions for some ultra-Orthodox schools, allowing them to teach less secular content, but critics argue this prevents fair oversight.
You just take a car.
This tension highlights a phenomenon called legal pluralism, where community norms such as curriculum decisions, school selection, and behavioral rules function almost like law within the community alongside state law. Life at Curious Joel schools is highly regulated. Every detail is scrutinized, from hair to clothing to activities outside school. For hair, there is no dyeing, no highlights, side bangs, buns, banana clips, or ponytails over 6 inches. Hair must be neat, short hair cannot reach the shoulders. No makeup, nail polish, necklaces, or multiple earrings. Earrings must be small. Full blouse with the top button closed, tucked in, often with a sweater on top. No red, no bright.
Ich fühle, wie deze davon so was. Der nächste Moment, der Meidlich kommen darauf zu age, was man der Video.
Colors, no form-fitting tops, no tank tops or short sleeves on top of the blouses. Skirts need to be pleated, 4 to 6 inches below the knee, in black, navy brown, or charcoal gray. Regarding tights and stockings, they require solid black, opaque tights. High school students wear palm tights with a seam running down the back of the leg. Other restrictions extend far beyond the school building, governing girls' behavior in public and private life. At multiple Curious Joel schools, girls are warned that even their appearance carries cosmic consequences.
Zoek met today's kicking shows ja prison. Just saying.
In one letter to parents, a school writes, going with attention
Verwus is alles upside down.
Grabbing hair or hair that is not pulled together causes a delay to the end of exile. Social interaction itself is treated as a risk. At a Curious Joel school, parents are discouraged from allowing their daughters to shop at large supermarkets. A letter warned, once grown girls from various schools come together and talk and laugh, there's already a crack in our fence. It continues, needless to say, a girl should not be traveling home with the grocery goy. Physical activity is also tightly regulated. At one school, students were explicitly told that, quote, any goyish exercise instructor is under no circumstances permitted to our students, end quote, adding that violations had, quote, already sadly brought serious consequences, end quote. Control extends to the body itself. In a letter titled, A Time to Act for God, the central authority at United Talmudical Academy of Satmar announced a complete ban on makeup for female students of any age. The letter stated, a student from our school, no matter what age, is not allowed to apply makeup on her face in any which way. This includes weddings of sisters, brothers, uncles, aunts, bar mitzvahs, tanoims, etc. The warning concludes that violations could result in expulsion, potentially permanent, depending on meetings with the school's spiritual authorities. These rules do not stop at school hours. Girls are discouraged from walking in large groups on Shabbos and are instructed to split into smaller groups to avoid attracting attention from men. Long skirts or flowing robes are discouraged outside specific contexts. Girls are not permitted to ride bicycles, scooters, or wear rollerblades. Families are also regulated. Parents are required to sign
the music is what gets me. The music, the calm music.
Contracts affirming that their homes do not contain computers, DVD players, or other forbidden technology. These conditions are directly tied to whether the children are allowed to remain enrolled in school. Together, these rules reflect more than religious guidance. They form a system of non-state law.
Die kan zijn de geven man do zeta zeppesirong.
Community-enforced norms that regulate appearance, movement, behavior.
Kan zijn sie halt sie gemacht is iblaus because your mental state do halt sie machen.
And family life. Compliance is maintained not through the courts, but through social pressure.
I'm not here to judge. She looks left. She loved Judaism. That's why she moved to Queens, Long Island.
School discipline, and the constant risk of exclusion. The interplay of religious autonomy and state oversight continues to generate debate. Some key issues include curriculum enforcement. New York State has scrutinized schools for failing to teach basic math and English. Funding has been withheld in some cases. Financial transparency. Questions persist.
But I feel like she should have gone dressed normal. Whatever normal might think it is. I think you can get way more your message out.
Over how millions of dollars in federal and state funds are spent, with reports noting payments to affiliated companies and relatives of officials. and then pandemic relief spending.
In the andere friends sind usually nicht kein größer help, you know?
Despite receiving nearly 94 million, public reporting and accountability remain limited. These challenges illustrate the tension between state requirements for equitable secular education and the community's desire to maintain religious control over schooling. Education in Curious Joel is complex. It reflects centuries-old religious traditions, modern legal debates, and the balancing act between autonomy and accountability.
So funny, the Jingle-Geider mit der Middle School kijkt aus derselbe Sache.
While the schools provide rigorous religious instruction and foster tight-knit community life, secular education standards remain a point of contention. Funding flows, state oversight, and community norms intersect in ways that raise both legal and ethical questions. Understanding Curious Joel schools gives a glimpse into how non-state law
4,000 meidlich, und sind nicht du kein Playground, sind nicht du gar nicht.
operates,
Sad.
how religious communities preserve identity, and how the state navigates these boundaries. Every rule, every curriculum decision, and every dollar spent tells a story about faith, law, and education in one of America's most insular communities. By the time you add all of this together, the dress
I just can't understand these people that they leave and then they come only with the bad stuff. Like the worst place. Well, Chaim, das ist eine Sache, was die Leaders darf man annehmen. Keiner kommt mich zurück machen ein Video, wie geht's sie gewesen. Man kommt noch zurück mit Pain. Und man darf adressen die Pain. Man hat nicht addressed die Pain. Hat einer kommen machen ein Video. In der Oilem schreien.
codes, the letters, the behavioral rules, the contracts families must sign, it becomes clear that this is not just about
Kijk on die buildings, was man baut, und wie spielen sich die Kinder.
modesty or discipline. It's a comprehensive system that regulates how girls look, how they move, where they go, and who they interact with, and even what exists inside their homes. These rules are enforced not by the state, but by schools, rabbis, and community authority, functioning as a form of non-state law. When we talk about education in Curious Joel, it's important to understand what girls are actually being educated for. While boys are immersed in religious texts and intellectual debate, girls are
Alle sucht intellectual debate. Keine nicht intellectual debate. Just saying.
explicitly excluded from Torah study. Instead, they are taught translated rulebooks, laws about kosher, Shabbos, dress, and
I don't know if they make it sound more worse than it is. In sind wir just, ins meiner Zunge, der andere Seite ist bias, als es sagen geht. Sehen wir das schlecht. Ich sehe es von der Outside. Ja, sie do a jiddische Platz, es hat laws, and they follow it. Und sie hat clearly nicht daran gefit, so sie ist rausgefallen, aber sie nicht ausgelernt zu leben in der Outside World. Und jetzt kommt sie zurück und sie weiß für die Welt. Es ist apart von Growing, es ist apart von the pain, es ist apart von the change.
conduct with men. Education for girls is not framed around inquiry, independence, or opportunity, but around compliance, modesty, and preparation for marriage and motherhood. Growing up inside the system, you learn very early that visibility is dangerous. Drawing attention through clothing, hair, movement, or even laughter is framed as a moral failure with spiritual consequences. The constant message is clear. Safety comes from obedience, and belonging is conditional. Curious Joel exists at the intersection of religious freedom, state law, and education. The question is not whether religious communities have the right to preserve their values. They do. The question is what happens when an entire education system is designed to limit knowledge, movement, and choice,
Balti always
especially
has
for
it
women,
easier than
and
us.
where the line between faith
Therefore,
and
they only see the
control
good part of
is
it.
ultimately drawn.
By the way, Chaim, zu sagen das, der Baltschiva, nicht nur, finde Baltschiva sagt, seht nur die Gitz. Aber seht auch das Schlechtes von den Jiden, weil es nicht so wie meint. Weet der Baltschiva, meint Sachen, im Menschen behaven nicht so, so sind nicht echt so. You know what I mean? So, frag any Baltschiva, wieso man ihm getreat, hat sich schämen findet. Okay, sie sucht nicht gut nicht, du. Sie redet von ihrer eigenen Pain, which is understandable. Und auch, welche Topics soll sie machen? Wo soll sie reden von? Welche andere Videos soll sie machen? Wo soll allgemein interessant? You know what I mean? Es ist so wie Ager. Ja, einer was wird Ayid. Der Rege wird Ayid, will nur antläufen, weil sieht, wie sie mir behaved. Sie kommen von KJs, aber kommen nicht kann education, so especially nicht for the outside world, which I think is a mistake in some points. Okay, lass mal sehen, was geschehen mit dir. Wie sie geht und was wenn wie. We're ready for her. Das ist auch, man. Sie spielt Stammstessen. Stois? Stois? I don't think so. It's painful. It's pain. So she's gonna act out. In wem is pain is he? You know what I mean? Wem is achra is this? Well, if you want your children to have a different education, you can do that, but you're not gonna hurt over the people. Forget. Koiten Hershey. Hello and welcome. Good morning. Wenn einer weiß, dass gedacht haben, andere Education ist und sie spät. You know what I mean? Once die suchst, dass, and by the way, nicht, kein an der Tate will nicht, aber jetzt der Kind ist 20 und die Kinder gedacht haben, andere Education. Wo ist geschehen zu den allen Menschen, wo sind naturally scientists? Das ist my question. Wo ist geschehen zu den Menschen, wo sind naturally, wollten gewähnt Doktoren? They cannot in any job in the world, but they're not going to feel satisfied. It's a big problem. I think KJ should do their own PR and highlight it. Set auskicken ein bisschen so wie in Nordkorea, you know? Forced. Listen to the facts and the laws and the history, she says. It's not accurate. I don't have a problem, she said her story, that she does not. Well, the education is terrible. Die willst rausgehen in der draußen Welt. Die Pupus die ganze Zeit in der draußen Welt. Und ein Mensch wird nicht heran innewein. Ich kennst du mich jugen gar weg. Hast du gepoput die ganze in der draußen Welt. Und nicht jeder einer darf haben Education. Nicht jeder einer ist, weil er nicht bekommen kann Education, ist hurt, if you know what I'm saying. Es du Menschen, wo sie gar nicht gut mitleben, mit nicht gut geschoolt. Aber die will sein ein Scientist und die willst aber sein ein Doktor, ein Lawyer, das ist die gar nicht in school. Die will sein ein Professional und etwas, das ist die gar nicht in school. It's just a shame as a Meidl oder a Ingel fin Mann, Romanzi, whatever, hat nicht ein Outlet, kann ich gar nicht zu einem Menschen sagen, zu einem Platz und sagen, okay, ich will out oder ich will nicht das, lass mal sehen, wir können arbeiten, dich machen für einen normalen Mensch or something. Nein. Quetsch man erup, bis, you know, poppt, bis der Ballon poppt. Und wenn der Ballon poppt, hast du schon nicht keine Kontrolle over it. In das macht andere Menschen, andere Meidlich, andere Menschen, was gehen noch hin. So. Wir können nur liken Sachen into the rock, bis du ein riesiger Bump auf the rock. You know what I'm saying? I spent more time in the Manal's office than in class. Ist das eine schlechte Sache oder eine gur schlechte Sache? You know what I'm saying? Sally, being born from is just a muscle. Like, not muscle, just a garnished, you know? Certain things you think it's normal in life. But when you get real challenged, then you fall through, weil es kein Mensch gebaut der muscle. So wie ich suche die Menschen, was man gesucht hat, smartphones are terrible. And I think that fight is terrible because people are going to have smartphones. And once they're going to break through us, so I'm sure the smartphone, they don't have any muscles to hold themselves back. So not going to bad websites, doing bad stuff. So it's like a muscle. You need to work on it. I don't have a muscle for Shabbos. Exactly, you have to build that muscle. Einer was aufgewachsen im anderen Manzi man hat keinmal nicht gedreift Shabbos, man hat keinmal nicht gegessen non-kosher. He doesn't really have muscles. He doesn't really have, it's not a Yiddish that he's not eating pork. So smartphone needs filters. Ich verstehe. Aber CG, weiß man doch ja, wie viele Menschen haben 3 Phones. Flip-Phone, ein Smartphone mit einem Filter und noch dem ein Smartphone ohne Filter. But you can't do anything about it, only change your own children, trying to change others won't win. Ich habe schon das Nächten gesagt, Herr Schim, man kann nicht echt changen, man kann gut nicht changen, man kann sich changen. But als Sachmul, aber like darauf sein Video, kann man changen nach Zweiten. In als Sachmul Menschen davon wachsen. They have to go through their pain by schreien mit einem Bullhorn. YouTube is hand and a bullhorn. So I hope one day to be about Cuba, one day not being bipolar with Yiddishkeit. I mean, it's a struggle, no? It's a struggle. Not that an open smartphone is allowed. CG, nicht was nicht allowed, meint nicht, aber hat es nicht. You should know that. I still would trade places. It's like, let me develop my... Ja, but Chaim, sie sucht sich gering. Es ist a real challenge. Think about the challenges die hast jetzt. In die Falls dadurch. Imagine, das ist der größte Key Parts von Jiddischkeit. Imagine die Falls damals dadurch. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, these videos, I feel, don't help anyone. Only themselves hat sich schon gelernt. And die feels not so, but you don't know. You don't know. In wem sie kann helfen, meint nicht als die guys wissen davon. Yeah, you're never gonna know. Besides if they tell you. So wie ich gehabt einen Tag gestanden bei der Gasstation. Und ich sehe ein chassidischen Gemahn mit einer riesigen Gingy-Board. Er hat gehustet. Und sich wakker raus, geht mir das auch kicken und sagt mir, thank you. Ich kicke mir like, thank you far. Ich hätte das auch Viggy-Vibes. Ich watsch der. And I was like, oh, you never know. Wer se watsch der, wo se dit, wer se dit. Who said it? Who said I don't want to observe? Aber Chaim, du bist noch kaum nicht gewesen in draußen, weißt du nicht. In Sahnen draußen in Iran kicken, you might fail. Chaim, der nächste Mal, eine von den Sachen, that you're trying to work on and die failst, think about it, ob sie wohl gewähnt eine größere Sache. You know what I mean? I wish I didn't have to work so hard to keep the basic Yiddishkeit. I feel like my conditioning keeps me like... Sally, mit mich ausgelernt. Als du Menschen, die lernen 50 Blatt, und noch damit du einer, die lernt 1 Blatt. And it doesn't make a difference. It doesn't make a difference. Weil einer kennt schneller. Think about it. You're really struggling. So every time you keep Shabbos, or you keep kosher, or you keep whatever issue you have, your schism, or however you want to call it, move up levels. Everybody struggles. Everybody struggles, you know what I'm saying? That's what I try to focus on because of it. Sind ich du kein graduation level. Sind ich du a level, wie man sagt, okay, mir ist geht. Viele der Bashem Tov hat gefühlt wie he's not simply making it, you know? And the Bashem Tov gewiss wer it is. Always struggle. Always fighting. And will be surprised, dass einer, was ist aufgewachsen und hat kein Mensch gehabt, der Challenge wegen Shabbos, won't get any schar for Shabbos, if you think about it. In the same level as somebody that is working on that muscle. I'm also shitting on it a lot, but I know it's not changing anything. So die halts jetzt bei der Point, Hershey, wie bitchen that schon nicht helfen. And now you just want to make change. But heute hast du gedacht, der bitchen. Also geht es. You needed that bitching. Right away lachen is definitely nicht good. Oh, thank you. I'm just saying what's in my heart. I'm not saying it's not. Sally, yeah. Huh? So your in the grocery, your final total is we need Mashiach. That's it. That's a final total. Same. Besser soll wie soll. Exactly. Tachlis and it's happening. Sally, are we ready? Are you ready? All right. You ready now? All right. If it's up to me, I'm pressing the button. Okay? I'm making it happen. If it's up to me. All right. So, Elva Zeiger. Chevra, we're going to call it a day. But it's not up to me, Sally. Not up to me. All right, Chevra. Sie kommen der Zeit, wie man darf sich segnen. Man darf sagen goodbye. Sie kann mir nicht easy, no matter how many times I try. But I gotta do it. We'll get my score für einen, was du gewinn eine lange Zeit, eine kurze Zeit. Für das nur du gewinn ein bisschen. Ich mach mir gut an der Tab. Noch auf andere Tab. Ich mach mir gut an der Tab, aber warum ich mein dir. Thank you so much. We'll get my score für alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters, and Subscribers, and especially members. For putting where your money is, where your mouth is. So I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chaim, for being here. You as well. We'll get my special thanks for YG. For Naran schicken a super chat. Sie geht a lange, riesige Weg, I tell you. This is, jeder penny counts. And this is what keeps the oil, oil of the grease of the machine. Alrighty. Housekeeping. Du wirst etwas schicken für the unboxing next week Monday, aber ich pin the address on top. Wir gehen gehen live hand 7 Azeiger. So we'll see you all at 7. Ich will reviewen Schmillicast. They do mit 2 Blumenfield. So this got my review on hand nacht. This is of the menu of the chopping block, so 7 o'clock. Check it out. And we'll see you all on the next one. Peace and love, and until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.